In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Wix website to HTML 2025. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Wix Studio dashboard, then go to the Sites area. From your list of projects, select the site you want to work with. Open the live version by clicking View Live Site, so you can capture the HTML exactly as visitors see it. With the live site open, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. This opens your browser's developer tools. You'll land on the Elements panel, which shows the page's HTML structure, and as you hover over Elements, you'll see a highlight overlay on the page. Wix pages are rendered dynamically, so you're viewing the final, in-browser HTML. The key is to copy sections thoughtfully so your output stays organized. To hone in on the main content, look for the accessibility link often labeled Skip to Main Content at the top of the page and click it. That moves focus to the primary section and makes it easier to locate the correct wrapper in the Elements tree. In the Elements panel, find the container that wraps the main section you want. Right-click that node and choose Copy, then Copy Element or Copy Outer HTML. This copies the exact HTML for that block. Next, open your Notes destination. A simple option is Google Docs. Go to docs.google.com, create a new blank document, and give it a clear name. Paste the HTML you just copied. It will appear as text, which is perfect here because your goal is to capture and organize the markup. Repeat this process section by section. Select a logical container in DevTools, copy the element, and paste it into the document. Add a short label above each pasted block, such as header, hero, main, or footer, so you can keep track one by one as you go. A few helpful tips as you work. Watch the highlight overlay to ensure you're selecting exactly the section you intend. If your selection is too deep, move up to a parent container before copying to avoid grabbing unnecessary nested elements. If the right-click menu doesn't show copy, use the DevTools menu or keyboard shortcuts for copying outer HTML. Remember, you're capturing structure only. Styling, images, and scripts are usually referenced externally and won't be embedded in the pasted code.